To use Zotero Libraries plugin, you will first have to link to a Zotero library account. To do this, you'll first go on the Zotero webpage and log in. Once you've logged in, go on Groups at the top. Once you are on Groups, you can create a new group. In doing so, please ensure that you are making it a public closed membership. Once you've created the group, you'll have to save your library ID. The library ID is on the top of the web page, up here. The library ID is in this format, groups / a string of numbers. You'll need this information for later when you connect your Zotero library group to your Zotero library on the RAMP website. You can also go on the Zotero app on your desktop and make sure that you have those folders that will correspond with your research topics. So you can press Group Library, which will take you to your Zotero library, and you can start creating folders here so that it matches the research topics of your website.